everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Amazon handbag review. So this is going to be on the brand Riller, which is a very popular handbag brand on Amazon right now. And I have two bags to show you. So I actually have a couple of handbags from them, but I'm going to be showing you two of them today. So typically I do a unboxing and review with these videos. Today it will just be strictly a review, just because I've had these handbags for the last 6-7 months. So the first handbag that I have is this one right here. So this bag is a nice warm tone brown. It is very beautiful. It does have like a pebbled leather look to it. And as you can see, there's these beautiful gunmetal details. And I've actually never really seen like gunmetal colored details on a warm toned brown bag, and I'm absolutely loving it. So this bag is great for like if you're going to work, going to school, going to brunch, going shopping. This is just an all over great bag, great tote bag. I love it. But I just love the boho style of it. It looks a little less structured and a little bit more like casual, but it's so pretty. It looks really nice and very upscale. These actually unzip. So I haven't really used these. They're small pockets to be about right here, and then this one comes to about here. They're a little bit smaller, but these would be perfect for carrying like your ID or your phone. I actually use the pocket in the back to carry my phone. I usually just throw my phone in here, and like if I have a card holder, I'll throw the card holder in there. But other than that, these are like, they're more, I feel like, just for style. These give such a beautiful, stylish look to the handbag. And then the handles are very comfortable. So the handles are not too stiff, not too hard, but they do hold their shape really nicely. So I do use handbag hangers. If you've never seen one of my videos, I do use handbag hangers for my big tote bags, and what they do is they actually hold the structure of the handles and they hold the bag by the handle. So that's why this bag after 6-7 months still looks perfection, is because I do take a lot of care of my bags. But I must say the wear on this handbag is like absolute minimal. If I ever get anything on it, I wipe it off right away, but it's really held up. You can even tell by the bottom, just looks so good, and the back. It's so pretty. So with this handbag, it does come with a strap. Let me just show you how I'd wear it. Okay, so for this handbag, I typically wear it like this. So I always wear this handbag kind of just like this. I think it's really cute and boho. I think it's just such a nice look, but it does come with a strap. So especially like if you're a busy mama, this could be your diaper bag. This is just really cute and stylish. Or if you just have like, you want your hands free, you can definitely do this strap. I have probably worn the strap maybe once or twice. I just really think it's a comfortable like shoulder bag, but you can definitely wear it, and it looks like this. I think it's cute too. So I have adjusted the strap to where it fits at my curve, I guess where I go in more. So that's why I like it like this. I think it is the perfect size though. I do mostly, like I said, I mostly wear it just like this. I think it's cute, I think it's stylish, and I love that. So, okay, so here is the inside of the handbag. Now you will get a typical like little pocket right here, which is a nice size. And then it does say Realer, which is the brand. And then it actually has a divider. So you can see here's one big pocket, and then you pull that up and there's another pocket down there. This part you can unzip and put things. So let's say you want to put your wallet in here and you just don't want people to be able to grab your wallet out of your bag. You can totally zip it into this middle pocket. It stores a lot, but you can also zip up the entire bag. So here is what the handbag looks like when it's zipped up. It completely zips up, which is just so nice for security, for traveling, anything like that. It's just nice to have a zip up feature. And then it does have a spot big enough for your cell phone to just go in the pouch. So cell phone and I would say keys. But overall, I think this is a great handbag. Honestly, I think this is this will probably be in one of my top Amazon handbag purchases ever. I am gearing up to do one of those videos, probably not till next year because there's a few more brands I need to obviously try, but this is most likely going to be in there. There is literally nothing wrong with this bag. Not that I expect there to be, but there is just no like crooked, like there's nothing weird about this bag. This bag is in perfect condition. The stitching's amazing. I just really think that this is a quality handbag, and I absolutely love it. I love the style. It just looks so nice. Okay, so this is the next handbag that I got from Riller. This handbag, I picked the coloring because I actually loved the warm toned brown with the gunmetal so much, and it's a color combo that I don't normally go to. So I saw this bag, and it's a different material, and I love it. So here it is. It is a comfortable bag. It looks very structured. It's just the way it's sitting. But this material gives me 70s vibes. This material, let me show you compared to the other one so you can tell. So it's a lot more warm toned, and then it has this like shiny material, which I think is just so cool. It's not a material that I typically see in a handbag, but it just gives me 70s vibes. One of my most favorite things about this handbag is that it's like a suede inside. It's like soft suede-like. So this bag, it comes with 2 straps. Just like the other one, it comes with the shoulder bag, which is typically how I'll wear it. It looks kind of weird because it's empty right now, but let me show you guys. Okay, so typically when I wear this handbag, I do wear it like this. I just like the look of it. This is really cute if you have like bell-bottom jeans. I have a pair of bell-bottom jeans that I love with this, and then I have like a top that's got a couple ruffles and stuff. Very 70s, goes perfect with this. I love this. So this kind of keeps its structure a lot, so it does stay pretty square, and I usually kind of play with it before I head out the door. I'll throw some stuff in it and kind of just mess around with the shape a little bit so it looks a little bit more relaxed. But I've gotten a lot of compliments on this bag when I go out, and people just seem to love it. So I love that. The bag also, like I said, has the strap like this. So this is probably my only like negative thing really about this bag, is this is the crossbody strap, and I have actually put it at the shortest it will go. It won't go any shorter, and it's still a little too big for me. It goes below my hip, so my hip's like here. It goes a little too low. So that's my only complaint. I think I might see if my fiance can maybe pop a hole. Like, I guess I would need like probably 2 more holes in here. But it's like I don't want to do that to a handbag. Like, I hate altering handbags like that when it's going to change it. But yeah, that's my only complaint, is just it's super long. Okay, and then again, it is that gunmetal accent color, which I love. I feel like the metal pieces, I don't know if it's necessarily metal or what it is, but these hold up really nicely. They don't get scratched easy. And then it does have this little button right here, so it has this big pocket. And the cool thing about this is the pocket is also lined with that suede like soft material, which is really nice. And then it does have the side pockets. I typically don't use the side pockets just because I fling my bag around a lot and I don't want to have something fly out of it, but I do like the fact that you can put something here like your cell phone and put the button on. Now it does not have a back pocket, which I'm not too mad about. Like, I don't mind that it doesn't have a back pocket. And then the inside, it has the Riller. Look how nice this is. I feel like the Riller handbags are really great quality. So Riller, and then it has the zipped pocket, which is nice. And even inside the zip pocket, it is like that suede-like material, which I'm like, that is great quality. The details of this bag are amazing, especially like to be on Amazon. And like, I feel like all the different brands that I've been trying are getting better and better. I'm just more and more impressed. For them to put this kind of lining on the inside of the pockets and just really put that detail in is beautiful. And then of course it does come with the little clutch. The other bag does come with the clutch as well. It's actually in my clutch. I have like a little clutch holder that holds all my clutches. So I use these a lot. Like, this is the perfect for when I'm like going to the grocery store, going like somewhere I need to go to the gas station or whatever. I don't want to always carry everything in my purse, so I'll carry the clutch with just like my wallet and a few things, and I find this perfect. And then here is the inside, so it's just a nice bag. But I honestly feel like it's just so nice, and I could put so much in it. And then it does have another pocket as well where you can put your easy to grab things. Overall, this bag is so gorgeous. And then instead of a zipper, it does have the clasp, so it clasps it claps. The bag claps. It clasps. God, that's so hard to say. It clasps, which holds the bag kind of closed. So this isn't, maybe if you're traveling, maybe you wouldn't bring this bag for that, but it's just such a nice bag. I think it's so like easy to grab stuff, and I absolutely love it though. It just gives me such like fall vibes or 70s vibes. I absolutely love it. The coloring is beautiful. I'm recommending these bags from Riller. Definitely check out their bags. I always check out reviews when you're shopping online on Amazon, anywhere you shop. Check out reviews, but honestly, check these bags out. I'll link them below. I hope you guys like this video.